Okay, we're good.
This is how not to take motor out. Oh fuck. Hurry up! Hang on. Oh fuck. Side cutters. We're gonna cut that zap strap.
Oh shit.
And there's one over here too. What the fuck is this hooked onto? Oh, and it's hooked on right here too, whatever the fuck that is.
Where?
Power steering.
Oh my god. You're gonna need where should I cut it?
I don't care, you can take the one off my key.
Oh, it's not in the
Oh, it's just stuff in the strap.
Yeah.
High five! Fucking awesome.
Holy shit. Is it?
Oh fuck, that was insane. Wow.
Whoa. So fucking funny, man. Oh, fuck. Just watch this bed.